Tama yung tawa.
Sports.
Oo, sports.
Sarap ng ligo. May timer pa dun. Happy birthday! Wow! Our good president!
Ay, ito na, ito na.
Ceremony to order.
Today, we come together not just to celebrate the transition of leadership, but to honor the Rotary Year and the promising beginning of another. This night is more than a change of hands. It is a reaffirmation of a shared mission, service above self. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is with great pride and sincere appreciation that we welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the 11th induction and handover ceremony of the Rotary Club of Metro North, Caloocan. As we begin, let us reflect on our collective journey, express our attitude, and look ahead with renewed energy and purpose. To start our ceremony in the spirit of unity and gratitude, may we all rise for the opening prayer to be led by Director Yvonne Tejero.
Of our District Governor Gina Sanchez, the induction of our new set of officers of Rotary Club of Metro North, Caloocan, Rotary Year 2025-2026, the handover ceremony, and the birthday of our good President V.
We are deeply honored by your presence. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
So what makes the Rotary pin symbolic? Bakit natin ito isinusuot? Pag sinuot natin ito, hindi ito sa halaga ng pera, kundi ito ay pinapahalagahan ng ating taong natulungan. At yung mga buhay na nabago natin, kahit doon sa mga lugar na hindi pa natin napupuntahan. So when you donate to the Rotary Foundation, you change lives. You give water to the people na hindi nakaranas ng tubig sa mga bulubunduking lugar. And pag may gera, nakakatulong tayo, even without being there.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat sa pagdalo dito sa aming 11th induction and handover ceremony. So, una po sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo, mga kapwa Rotarians, kaibigan at pamilya, na naging bahagi ng aking paglalakbay bilang Pangulo ng Rotary Club of Metro North, Caloocan. Hindi ko po ito magagawa mag-isa.
Thank you so much.
Of Metro North, Caloocan, as my guide through the blessings of the Almighty God. It is my covenant to spell and labor unflinchingly, but righteously, with courage, but with humility, and finally, with determination, but with compassion and understanding. So be it. Thank you very much. To God be the glory. Unite for good.
very memorable year sa Rotary Club of Metro North Caloocan and to District 3800. Yet, by the end of Rotary year 2022-2023, you reached 24 members, an incredible 400% increase. Grabe po yung ginawang milagro ng Power Couple Doms and Roda. 6 members, Roda, from